So, pyrimethamine, pyrimethamine structure it is an amino pyrimidine, that is pyrimidine 2,4-diamine, which is substituted at position 5. So by a para-chlorophenyl, that is group at position 6 by an ethyl group. So it is a folic acid antagonist used as an anti-malarial and or with a sulfonamide to treat the toxoplasmosis. It has a role as an anti-malarial. Okay, what it is that it is aminopyrimidine nucleus. Okay, that is pyrimidine 2,4-diamine, which is substituted for 5th position para-chlorophenyl and 6th position ethyl group. It is folic acid antagonist used as an anti-malarial. The medication it is used as a medication, that is sulfonamide. We can treat as a serious parasite infection, that is toxoplasmosis uh, of the body, parasite infection of the body, brain or eye, to prevent toxoplasmosis infection in people with HIV infection also. It is the pyrimethamine belongs to the class of drugs known as antiparasitics. Okay, it works by killing against parasites, and it is most effective agent included in the most drug regimens. Pyrimethamine can be used with sulfonamides, quinine, and other antimalarials, with other antibiotics. Okay, non-pregnant patients. Okay. So pyrimethamine synthesis, it is ethyl propio starting compound, it is ethyl propionate. It is condensed with para-chlorophenyl acetonitrile. It eliminated ethanol in the presence of sodium methoxide. We are getting alpha propiophenyl 1 para-chlorophenyl acetonitrile, that is lactam form, which is converted to lactine form. What is the difference between lactam form and lactine form? That is C double bond O, it is the lactam form. C OH, it is the HOH, it is the lactine form. That is tautomeric effect. Okay, so here next that it will be lactam form after conversion of the tautomeric effects. That particular alpha propiophenyl 1 para chlorophenyl acetate, that's our isomers. It is again condensed with isoamyl alcohol. It is producing the hemiacetal. That hemiacetal undergoes dehydration, elimination of water. It is that particular formation of after dehydration, that compounds, it is condensed with the quinidine. Okay, it is elimination of isoamyl alcohol. That one it is producing the form after quinidine condensed compound, the formation of the product, it is undergoes cyclization. It is producing the pyrimethamine. Okay, pyrimethamine also it is used as a suppressive prophylactic for the prevention of severe attack due to malarial parasites. Polycyclic antimalarial drugs. Next, halofentanyl. Polycyclic antimalarial drugs. Halofentanyl is a drug used to treat malaria. It is the structures contains a substituted phenanthrene. Phenanthrene derivatives. Substituted phenanthrene, it is related to the antimalarial drugs, that is quinine and lumefantrine. So, halofentanyl is the another therapeutic agent. It is developed by the chloroquine against that is active against chloroquine resistant plasmodium parasites. Okay, it is a structurally related molecule, lumefantrine, that is halofentanyl and lumefantrine. It is synthesized by one of the and also it is a potent anti-malarial agent. Next, it is a synergetic action with artemisinin. Okay, next, halofentanyl, the structure it is dichloro 6 trifluoromethyl. Already I said that is phenanthrene derivatives. It is used as a cisenticidal and has no effect on spherocytes, gametocytes, spherocytes and gametocytes, and hepatic stage. Doxycycline. Next, doxycycline is a broad spectrum tetracycline class of antibiotics used in the treatment of infectious caused by bacteria and certain parasites. It is used to bacterial pneumonia and another uh, cholera, typhoid, syphilis. It is also used to prevent malaria in combination with the quinine. So, to treat malaria, doxycycline may taken by mouth or by infection into vein. Doxycycline. This is the doxycycline structure. So, it is the tetracycline basic nucleus. Okay. So, the pH also less than 2. To stand at a pH, expired tetracycline or tetracyclines allowed to stand at pH less than 2 are reported to be nephrotoxic due to the formation of degradation product. Okay, so here toxycycline uh, toxycycline and tetracycline itself have to be taken with caution in patients with having the kidney injury and all. It is there side effects due to metabolic effects. So toxycycline is a synthetic broad spectrum tetracycline antibiotic. It is exhibiting the antimicrobial activity, so and also it is having the potent anti-malarial agent. So, in the combination with the quinine, toxycycline is an alternative drug for the treatment of chloroquine resistant Plasmodium gram positive and gram negative bacteria. It is the best tetracycline against anaerobes, anaerobes in the absence of oxygen. So, it is the first choice for the prophylaxis for travelers diarrhea, okay, commonly used for endotoxicogenic E. coli. Okay, so next mefloquine. Mefloquine, it is the structure of mefloquine. It is the derivative of quinoline. Mefloquine, derivative of quinoline. It is quinoline methanol derivative developed to deal with the chloroquine resistant malaria. Okay, it is developed for the deal action with both the chloroquine resistant malaria. Rapidly acting erythrocytic sesontocyde slower than chloroquine and quinine. So effective against chloroquine sensitive and resistant plasmodia. That is. So the mechanism of action similar to chloroquine, that is mefloquine. What is the mechanism of action for what it is happening here? That is it is what heme polymerase, that is inhibiting the heme polymerase synthesis, both chloroquine, quinine, mefloquine. Okay, next what it is, it accumulates in infected RPCs, binds to heme, and this complex damages the parasite's membrane. Mechanism of action: it accumulates and interferes infected RBCs, red blood cells, binds to heme, and this complex damages the parasite's membrane. However, the recent evidence suggests that the site of action, that is mefloquine, in the parasitic cytocell rather than in the acidic vacuole. Okay. Mefloquine is an orally administered 4-methanol quinoline drugs used to prevent treat malaria like other drugs. Okay. This is about mefloquine. It is effective against erythrocytic form of malaria. Sulfadoxine, it is one of the antibacterial group. This is the structure of sulfadoxine, N,5,6-dimethoxy 4 pyrimidinal sulfanilamide. Okay, this is one of the antibacterial drug, but it is used. These are the mefloquine and sulfadoxine is the miscellaneous agents of antimalarial agents classification. Okay, so it is used in the combination with pyrimethamine. Sulfadoxine, it is used in the combination with the sulfur pyrimethamine. Sulfadoxine interferes with the parasite ability to synthesize folic acid, and pyrimethamine inhibits the reduction of folic acid and to its active tetrahydrofolate coenzyme form. So the synergetic antifolate combination of sulfadoxine, a long-acting sulfonamide with pyrimethamine, it is used to treat